Hi guys, this is On-Chain Mod, and in this video I'll be showing you how to add your JMPT token into your SafePal wallet. Now, the reason why we need a JMPT token is the fact that for those of you that are doing your tax, that are performing tax on the Jumptask, doing this Jumptask task and earning from that platform, in case you want to withdraw, you can actually withdraw either through MetaMask or SafePal Wallet or even through the Trust Wallet. But for this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw using the SafePal Wallet. But first of all, I want to import my JMPT token using just the contract address alone into this SafePal Wallet. So for you to be able to do that, first of all, you have to head over and download the CoinMarketCap. Now, why I normally use the CoinMarketCap is because only verified contract address or token address are often being listed on the CoinMarketCap. All right. If you want to see any token that is a legit token, that is not a scam, always use this app, the CoinMarketCap app. You can also use the CoinGecko app, but right here I'm using my CoinMarketCap. All right. So you go over to Play Store or Apple Store and download it. All right. And after downloading it, what you have to do now is to head over to this section where you see this search bar. All right, just head over to where you have this search bar right here. But before then, you click right in this market, and then you, after clicking there, you come over here and type JMPT at the search bar. All right, so I have typed it before, but let me just type it to show you step by step. So JMPT. All right, we have like there are about 3 JMPT bots. You can either use this one or the Celo network or the JMPT of the Polar network, but this is the one I want to use. All right. Now, whenever you want to withdraw your JMPT, they will demand three address. They will ask you either you want to withdraw through the BNB chain, that is the JMPT token that is built on the BNB chain, or you want to withdraw the JMP token that is built on the Celo network, or the JMP token that is built on the Polar network. For those of you that are earning and mine are claiming the JMP tax performing and want to withdraw, all right. But now I normally prefer the BNB due to their low gas fee. That is why I normally prefer it. So I want to be importing my JMP token on the BNB chain. So I'll click right there. All right, now I've clicked right there. You can see safe. This safe here means that this token has been verified officially by CoinMarketCap. All right, so I'll click right here and copy that address. And then after copying that address, I'll now head over to my SafePal wallet. Since I want to import on my SafePal wallet, I'll just open the SafePal wallet and go down, scroll down to where you have this manage token. All right, now there are 2 ways you can import a token on SafePal wallet. You can import manually by using this section. I recently did a video on how to import a token manually on SafePal wallet, but you can go and watch that video. I'll be pasting all of that video at the video description. All right, but for this video I want to import second way, which is managing through the manage coin section. So you scroll down to where you have this manage coins right here. Okay, I'll tap on it and then I'll just tap that address. I'll paste that address right here. All right, I'll paste that address right here and then I'll click on continue. It's automatically going to bring out the JMPT Bet20 network. Now this is the particular one that I want. The first one is the one that I want. So I'll highlight that plus button right here. All right, this is the one that I'm looking for. So I'll highlight this plus button right here and automatically it has been added. So let's go over and check if it has been added. It has been added. All right, it has been added. So this is the JMPT token that I've just added into my SafePal wallet. So guys, if you have any question, you can leave them at the comment section, and if there is anything you don't understand, let me know. You can still drop them on our Telegram group or just at the comment section of this video. And don't forget to like and share, and see you in the next video.